Hi there and good evening. This is Scott. At Scott Trades on Twitter, also known as X, though I'll probably always call it Twitter, and at stockmarketmentor.com. Want to take a look at the Home Builders ETF. This is ticker XHB. Now, Dan Fitzpatrick at stockmarketmentor.com has been talking about the home builders as far as February, January time. I think, he brought this idea to Jim Cramer at Mad Money, and it has been a monster call. Just a beast, despite some of the wall of worry that this chart has had to tackle, including interest rates, inflation, et cetera, et cetera. The home builders have gone up in spite of all of that. And so I definitely think this is an interesting chart to take a look at, because not only has it been a great performer this year, but if I continue to zoom out here, you can see that it's reaching some levels that it was at just before its breakdown in late 2021 and early 2022. And so now what we have is potentially a giant cup pattern and a little bit of a handle building right under resistance. And so I'm going to set an alert on my software here right around that 85.20 level, just a few pennies below 85.20, and look for a breakout above that level for some potential continuation and maybe a touch of some blue sky territory here if it can get above some of these previous highs. Now, there are a bunch of individual home builders that you can look at. I'm thinking things like MHO, MI Homes. This is in a strong uptrend. PHM, Pulte Homes, in a strong uptrend. KB Homes, KBH, in a strong uptrend. This chart looks great here. Nice little base, holding that 21-day. And the really interesting thing about XHB is the fact that even though we saw some market volatility over the last couple of weeks, this stock didn't break under its 21-day exponential period moving average. That's the gray line here on the chart. So when the rest of the market was breaking down, XHB was holding in tight. And so that definitely gets my attention. I love searching for relative strength in a weak market, and it seems like the home builders have some of that. So I hope that video is helpful. If it was, definitely take a trial and see what we're up to over at stockmarketmentor.com. Click that link, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.